Clarity Clinical Solutions.
The clinical trial supply chain is the invisible engine that gets investigational drugs from the manufacturer to patients at clinical trial sites around the world. Let's explore how it works. The clinical trial supply chain has three main stages: sourcing, API manufacturing, formulation, and blinded packaging; distribution, temperature-controlled shipping, customs clearance, and depot storage; accountability, tracking every pill from dispensation to destruction. Every trial drug starts with API manufacturing. The active pharmaceutical ingredient is produced under strict GMP conditions, tested for purity and potency, then shipped to a packaging facility where it's formulated into tablets, capsules, or injectables. Packaging is where blinding happens. The randomization schedule determines which kits get active drug and which get placebo. Labels show only the kit number, not the drug name. Active and placebo look, taste, and weigh the same. Some drugs need cold chain shipping at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, biologics and vaccines. Others ship at ambient room temperature. Both require protective packaging and temperature monitoring throughout the journey. Cold chain logistics use qualified thermal shippers with phase change materials and data loggers. If a temperature excursion occurs, the drug is quarantined until stability data proves it's still safe to use. IRT systems, interactive response technology, handle randomization, kit assignment, and resupply automation. When a site's inventory drops below threshold, the system automatically generates a resupply order from the depot. Cross-border clinical trials require import permits, customs clearance, and regional depot storage. Each country has unique regulations for importing unapproved investigational drugs for clinical use. Regional depots maintain temperature-controlled inventory and handle last-mile distribution to sites. IRT monitors inventory levels and triggers resupply when stock runs low. Sites confirm receipt in the system. Drug accountability starts at receipt. Every kit is logged by number, lot, and expiry. At each patient visit, dispensed kits are recorded. At trial end, a full reconciliation matches received versus dispensed, returned, and destroyed. At the end of a trial, unused drugs are returned to the depot or destroyed. Destruction certificates and reconciliation reports are archived as essential trial documents, usually for 2 years or more after the marketing application. Emergency unblinding via IRT reveals a single patient's treatment assignment when medically necessary. The reason is documented, and the patient's data is flagged in the statistical analysis to account for potential bias. 3 key takeaways. The supply chain is invisibly complex, every step is tracked and validated. Temperature control is non-negotiable, cold chain ensures drug integrity. And accountability never stops, from creation to destruction, every kit is tracked. The clinical trial supply chain is a marvel of logistics, temperature-controlled shipping, real-time inventory systems, and full chain of custody from manufacturer to patient. Thank you for watching.